Ready to uncover the magic behind Canva's newest AI tools? From text effects to image enhancements, this lesson has everything you need to learn how to use Canva's amazing Magic Studio tools. Let's get started. One of the tools inside Canva I use multiple times every day is this one, and I'm going to show you real quick. First of all, I came here to look for a picture of a person, and I'm going to choose this one. So I'll take this picture, enlarge it a bit, and I want you to watch this. Now you can see there's a young man standing there against a wall. Here's what I'm going to do. I'll click on the picture. Next, I'll go up here to this BG remover and click on it. This is a paid tool, but it's something I use multiple times a day, and it's well worth it. So click on that, then watch what it does. Boom, the background is gone. Look how good that is. If you blow it up, you can see how well it removed everything behind the man. It does a really good job. Even close to the image, it took all that off. If you really want to see what's going on, let's add some color to it. I'll change the background color to make it easier to see. Look how crisp and clean that is. So that is the background remover inside Canva. This is one of my favorites here, and a tools I use every day. Not everyone knows it's in here, but I just wanted to show you in case you've never used it before. Before I forget, I did want to remind you that in case you didn't see it up here at the top, another way you can find the background remover is if you click on Edit right there, then you'll see it right here. And that's another place inside the Magic Studio where you can find the background remover. Okay, now we're going to talk about another favorite tool in Canva. I came here to find a car, so I'll look through the photos and choose this one. I'll drag it in here, just like that, there it is. A beautiful orange car. Now I'll click on the image, go to Edit, and choose the Magic Grab tool. It's a paid tool, so click on this, and you'll see Canva has already gone through and found the car. You have choices. You can choose brush, and can adjust your brush size as needed. Then you could paint over the part you wanted to choose, or you could just click here. Imagine, if I want this car, I'll click on that, and I'll try to click on the shadow too, just out of curiosity. No, that didn't work, so I'll deselect. Choose click, then click on the car. Now choose grab. And then, you can see the AI doing its thing. In just a few seconds, you'll see what happens next. It's really amazing. So there's the car. And there's the background. Look at this! The car is detached. Now we can delete it, or move it around, turn it upside down, whatever we want. Okay, I'll move it out of the way for now. But look at this. This is the other thing that Magic Grab has done. It did delete the car, but it has also created the background behind it. It's actually done two different things. Not only has it grabbed the object you want, it's also created the background behind that image. This is an AI tool, so it's not perfect. So there's the shadow under the car. We could get rid of that using another tool. But otherwise, the car that was once a part of this picture now has been separated from the original and is an object all its own. So this is the Magic Grab tool. I'm looking for a landscape. I'll choose this one and enlarge it to fit the page. The next thing I want is something to go in this sky area. I'll look for a bird. So I'll look through these bird photos and choose this eagle. So I'll add that, then I'll crop it to just the actual bird itself, like you see here. Once I've done that, I'll adjust it and put it where I want it to be in the final picture. I'll also resize it to the correct size I want it to be. Then, I will click on the bird image and also the background. Then, I'll go to Edit where I will find Magic Blend. If you don't see it, make sure that before you go to edit that, you've clicked on both your images. Then, you'll see the Magic Blend app inside there. So follow the directions here. Have your images the correct size, exactly what you want. Once you're ready and everything's where you want it to be, then click on the button. Next, Canva will take those two images, combine them, and give you 4 options to choose from. Look through these and see if any of them are what you want. If not, you can always regenerate. Once you find one you like, click on the button there. And now, Canva has put those two images together into one piece. Very cool. Now I'm looking for a specific living room image. I'll look through here until I find something I like. I think I'll choose this one, so I'll add it and enlarge it to fill the page. Next, I'll click on it and choose Edit. Then I'll go to the Magic Studio and click on Magic Edit. This is a really cool tool with options. You can choose brush or click, so let me resize it a little bit, and I'll show you. I want to change the color of a chair. If I hit click, I'll choose one specific object, the chair, and I'll prompt it to change the color. Let's watch what it does. It will process this and then give me 4 options. Now it's changed the chair to blue. Okay, here are my 4 different options. I can look through them, and if I didn't like it, or if I wanted to change something I could regenerate. I could also change my prompt. I'll ask it to change it to teal green. Click on Done and watch. Again, I have 4 options, and it changed the chair. Here are the new options. They're all a little different. I'll choose the one I want, then click on Done. Now you can see, it has changed that object. There's the original image. This tool is called Magic Edit. I'm looking for a picture of a dog, so I'll choose this one right here. Next, I'll try to crop out that man by folding the image. We'll see how that works. I'll put it in the middle of the page, then go up here and click on Edit. Then I'll look inside the Magic Studio for the Magic Expand tool and click on that. Now I have a few choices. For my image, I'll choose Whole Page because I want this image to fill the whole page. Next, I'll click Expand. Canva gives us 4 different options to choose from. You can see how it left the guy in there because I didn't literally crop him off, but that's okay. But here you can see the individual pictures. Each one is a little different, but now the image fills the whole page, so I will choose one of these. If I don't like any of them, I could always regenerate. For now, I'll choose this one and click Done. This is the amazing Magic Expand tool. I came in here looking for a picture of a t-shirt that had some words on it. I didn't really find anything that I liked. So I went to Creative Fabrica, which is my favorite design site in the world, and I found a t-shirt design that I liked. Since I'm a member, I downloaded it, and now I'll put it inside Canva. I want to make some changes to it. What I'll do is take that text from the design. Right now it's all one piece, and try to fix it so that I can actually edit it, because right now I can't. So I'll click on Edit, then on the Grab Text button there, and Canva will use that tool to actually take the text in this design and separate it so that I can eventually edit it. Next, I'll click on Grab. I have a few choices. Click on a specific object, or all text. I'll choose all for now. Now you can see this app has completely changed the font. Watch these changes I can make now. First of all, I can change the font type, color, and size. But I can also edit the individual letters. Amazing! Remember, originally this was an image, but now I can make changes to it and make it something completely new. I can also add things to it. I'll also change the line spacing. So that's the incredible thing you can do with text using this one tool. It's amazing and magical, and it's called Grab Text. Now I'm looking for an image of a bird inside Canva's photos. I'll choose this one and enlarge it a little. Next, I'll click on it and go to Edit. Now I'll use the Magic Eraser tool. I'll click on that, and here are my options. You can choose the Brush or Click tool. All you do is click on the part of the image you want to erase and paint across it. When you're ready, click on Erase. It doesn't always get it the first time, so be prepared to possibly do it again. When you're ready, click Erase. Now you see I erased those feathers. If I want to fine-tune it, I can come in here and take even more off. Overall, it does a good job, but it's not perfect. But if you need to erase something inside an image, Magic Eraser is a really good tool to use. If you want to choose the whole object, choose Click. But if you're going to erase small pieces, the Brush tool seems to work better. Have fun with the Magic Eraser tool.
If you enjoyed this video, please remember to like it, subscribe to the channel, and share it with your friends. Until next time, keep creating, keep innovating, and keep making it with AI. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.